welcome to my channel. Okay, today in this video I'm gonna show you and share some knowledge how to combine words from different cells. In this case, I'm gonna show you an example to combine the first name and the last name from different row from different cell to become a word in one cell. Okay, let's get started. So in this video, in this case, I'm gonna use CONCAT formula and then select the first string followed by comma, followed by apostrophe, followed by space, followed by apostrophe again, comma, space, and the next string is P2. Ta-da! You get what you want. Okay, I'm gonna show you every single function in this formula bar. Okay, A2 is actually referring to first word or first string. Apostrophe space, apostrophe is referring to space in between the words. For P2 is actually referring to the next words. If you guys have more than two, you can continue the formula. Okay. So I'm gonna lock the formula so that if you copy the formula another cell, it will not change the formula. Okay, the currency symbol is actually referring to lock cell for column and row. Here, you already combine the cell. You can double cross check. Okay, next one. Full address. I'm gonna combine these addresses in one particular cell. We use the same formula, CONCAT, the same function, and combine all this. But in this case, we have to put the lock same as the previous case. Okay, to provide the formula will change in case we copy it from row to column or column to row. Okay, in this case we have a crucial thing to focus on. So we have to put apostrophe, comma, space, and then apostrophe again and comma, because we require comma after single address and then space and followed by the next word. So take a look at that. Jalan Tiara, comma, space, and then followed by postcode, comma, space, Ampang. So apostrophe, comma, space, apostrophe, comma, meaning a comma in space in between the words. That's it. If you guys know how to use, okay, ta-da! Let's see that. If you guys know how to use this function, you guys have more time to save because you don't have to retype every single word manually. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and till we meet again on the next video, thank you so much. Bye bye.